Assalamu alaikum, hi viewers. Today again come back. So today we will show you this another new recipe. This recipe name is Jarda. So it will prepared by Mr.Abdur Razzaq. So Mr. Abdur will inform one by one which type of ingredient is required for this preparing special Probashi Jarda recipe. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. First, I will describe the ingredients which are need to prepare this Jarda. One by one, I am telling the ingredients name, and I will show the list of these ingredients. Rice, first rice, half kg, Bashmoti or Chinigura, what you like you can use. 2 cups, maybe cooking measuring cup. After that, sugar 2 cups. After butter half cup. Today we will use this cup. We will use butter. You can use also ghee or soybean oil. It will be the best if you will use ghee, and it will be very tasteful. After that, salt very little quantity. Bay leaf you need 3 pieces. Our bay leaf condition is not good, so we have taken more small, maybe 4 or 5 pieces. Cardamom 4 pieces. Cinnamon 4 pieces. Food color as requirement, and milk powder half cup. Here we will use Algerian milk powder loyal. And the finishing time you can use kinds of almond. We will use today this almond and raisins, that is kismis. So no delay more. Now we can have to start. Okay. Now we are going to start Probashi Zarda. Tasteful, delicious Probashi Zarda. First, we have to cook this rice in boiling water. This rice have to cook 60 or 70%. So before cook this rice, we have to wait in water 20 to 30 minutes. After that, we have to strain this rice and we cook in a boiling water. Sometimes have to cook this rice, and it will be take maybe 7 or 8 minutes. After 7 minutes or 8 minutes, we have come back. Our rice already are cooked. Now we will strain the rice.
Search.
We put this rice on a airy place to dry up the moisture. Now this you can dry this rice by hand. I'm going to start our main cooking procedure. First, we will take 1 and a half cup water. We have to wait up to heat the water. Water is already heated. Now I will add 2 cup sugar. If you want to more sweet, you will add more sugar. If you like less sweet, you will add less sugar. So today I will add 2 cups sugar. and I will stir and mix with water properly. Now cardamom, this cinnamon and bay leaf. Now we have to wait up to melt the sugar with water. Come back, our sugar already melted with water. Now I will add half cup of butter. I'm giving. Now we have to wait up to melt this butter with these ingredients. Butter already melted with water, and now we will give the rice. Now we will mix properly, and we will cook it with a high flame of color food. Now I am taking 2 spoons. You can use it as you like.
Search.
And if you like dark color, most colorful, you can use more quantity. Now I will melt it with water, and after that I will mix. We are going to add color. And this time we can use some very small quantity of salt. It will tuning the sweet. It will tuning the sweet, accelerate the sweet. We will use very small quantity because we already used. We have to wait dry. Okay. Our Jarda about to dry. And this time it's dry. And this time I will mix half cup of full milk powder. First time I will use 50%. After some time, then I will use the remaining. First I am giving this milk, 50% milk. This milk will make this Jarda more delicious.
Search.
Mixing the remaining milk powder. We are giving this almond and kismis. Already completed our Jarda. Maybe it will be very delicious. Thanks all viewers. After I will coming soon with new recipe.
Okay viewers, thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Inshallah next time I will bring more Probashi recipe. If you like my video, thank you very much watching my video up to last moment with patience. Okay, thank you.